So today I would like to have your opinions on organ donation. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think about organ donation?
I think organ donation is a very noble cause that everyone should give their consent for. It's for people who are in need, and considering the complexities of the medical world, more and more people should opt for this.
Yes, it indeed is a very good thing to do. So have you signed up for this?
Many years ago, there was two campaigns running parallelly. One was the blood bank campaign that was run by Facebook India, and another one was the organ donation. So I signed up for both of them.
Yes, so very good thing that you signed up for this. So unlike you had done that, but not many people in the world, especially in India, many people have not signed up for this. So what do you think can be done?
So I think there are two aspects of this answer. One is, that there is not much of awareness in both the upper middle class, the middle class, and the lower class. And the other reason is that people are a little hesitant because of the rituals that are there in the Indian society. A lot of my friends who are educated and who are well read from good to do schools, while they want to do it personally, but their parents do not allow them to do it because they believe that if you donate your organs, the new life that you will the new life that you will have may not be as good because you're giving away an organ. But I believe those are regressive thoughts, and people need to come out of this. We live in the 21st century, and hence it is very important that this message of the organ donation needs to be done at a mass level, whether it could be role plays, street plays, social media campaigns. It should be talked about as a part of election campaigns. Everywhere it should be done at every levels to make awareness.
Yes, you're absolutely right. So, are you aware of what organs can be donated?
As I said, I mean, I am to an extent, yes, I am aware about the major organs that can be donated, whether it's the liver, the lung, the kidneys, or the heart, or the eyes. But I believe that there are many more things that you can donate, which even I am not aware of, and I think that's the reason why you are doing this exercise.
Yes, so would request you to search on Google what things can be donated, and
Yes.
so that more awareness can be spread.
But Google is not the only source of
Yes, you can
information. A
search
lot of people
as-
do not even have access to Google,
Yes.
and that's where governments play an important role in making this awareness.
Yes, you're right. So, is the procedure of donating organs an easy task?
Donating organs, yes, because it's just an online form that you can fill, and you can give your consent. If you're above 18 years, yes, you can do it on your own. If you're below 18 years, you need to have consent from your parents also. But I think the most difficult part of organ donation is the receiving of the organ donation. And I have a very classic example of how my friend's father, he had a liver transplant, and he had to be in a long queue. If he would have stuck to the process of the government, it might be possibly that his father would have been here also. So people who have that power with them, with the money power, or they have the contacts or the influence, probably they can skip the lines and get the organ. But people like a middle class person or lower middle class person, if they stick to the processes defined by the government, they may lose their loved ones. And that's why it's very important for the government to ease out these processes of receiving the organs, right? It could be a central portal where you can in real time see which organ is available, what number are you in queue, because right now every city is doing their own portal, which is very complicated.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Everything should be given to everyone at an equal
Absolutely.
matter, and no one should be at a higher level
Yes.
or a lower one. Thank you for your opinions, and thank you.